القرى ولتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulullah Sayyidina Muhammad wa alihi ajma'in. Mawad. Eid Mubarak to all of you. And Alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us a chance and to sacrifice for His deen. This is just a token of sacrifice, and not only for one day, for sacrifice whole life and caring for others and feeling the hunger and thirst of others and providing what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us to others. Today, inshallah, we'll talk about continuation of our series of khutbah. Today, we'll talk about the Surah Al-Asr pertaining to time. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala talks, first of all, takes the qasam on Asr that befits Him, and showing the importance of the verse that is following. It starts with saying that mankind is in a great loss. Khusr, that means perpetual loss. All the time people are in a loss, except for those who meet the four conditions. Those who believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So when you make exception, what it means? When you have many things we talk about, exceptions are smaller number, right? When you talk about many things, exceptions are small number. You talk about many things, but out of that there is some exception. Those exceptions are exceptional people. Exceptional people means those are very special people. And who are those exceptional people? To be able to attain to that level of exceptional level, there are four conditions. Those who believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala alone. That means worship Him alone. That means put Him ahead of everything that you have. Ahead of your own desires, ahead of your own family, ahead of everything else, above everything else is Him alone. Then we say, yes, we give Him we try to give His rights. It's not only making ibadah in salah and then after that forgetting about Him. It's not that. In every aspect of life, putting Him above everything, that is what the first criteria. That means obedience to Him. And following the Rasul is part of it. Amanu amilus salihat. That means you cannot just say that we just believe in Him and forget about our actions. This has to go hand in hand with each other. Our actions should agree with what we believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We put Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in first place above everything. That means our amal should also agree to that. That means we are not just saying we are Muslims, we do this and that, and then after that we do all our earnings are haram and actions are haram and talking, backbiting, all of these things. No, we didn't put in practice what we just said. And after these two conditions, then the وَتَوَاصُوا بِالْحَقِّ وَتَوَاصُوا بِالصَّبْرِ. Those who, the word here, wasiyah, meaning enjoining, recommending, and encouraging others of haqq and patience. That means being on the truth and being patient. And some of the scholars say that haqq and sabr are like two wings of a bird. And can you imagine a bird flying any higher with just one wing? Can't. It will fall off. So you cannot say that I am on haqq and not do sabr. And you cannot do sabr if you're not on haqq. People ask someone, be patient, be patient. No, they're doing something, they're asking something, be patient. Some people get upset if you tell them, be patient. What is that? This is my right. Well, If you're right, then if you are really, you believe that it's your right, and if it is really your right, and you are on the right track, then you will perform the sabr. This is a sign of those people who are on truth. They will be enjoining sabr. This is a sign. And one of the examples of when a lady came to Sulaiman alayhi salam, the two women came to Sulaiman alayhi salam. One said, this is my child. Other one said, this is my child. Both are fighting. At that time, obviously, there has to be only one mother. There cannot be two mothers. Other one is a true mother. Other one is a liar, is a thief. Then what Sulaiman alayhi salam said that, okay, I will make two pieces of this baby, give to half to one and another half to the other. If that's my decision, if you both agree, both want a piece of it, same child, I'll give you half of each. The true mother, she said, no, it's not my child. She had patience. She was on truth and she had patience because she cared about the child more than herself. Because she doesn't want the child to be broken to pieces, cut into pieces. She had patience. She said, no, this is not my child. Give it to her. At least the child will survive. And then, of course, Sulaiman alayhi knew that she is the real mother and gave it to her. This is the sign of the patience. Those who are on truth, they will have patience. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to be on patience and perpetual, sabr and patience and be on haqq for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Subhanakallah bihamdika nastaghfiruka.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal 'ashri innal insana lafi khusr illa alladhina amanu wa 'amilus salihati wa tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bil haqq wa tawasaw bis sabr.
والصديقين والشهداء